Porsche is celebrating one of the most famous racetracks in the world with a very special 911 GT3. Created ahead of the Nürburgring's 100th anniversary in 2027, this limited edition will be restricted to just 100 cars, making it one of the more exclusive versions of the current 911 GT3. The Nürburgring opened in June 1927, and its legendary Nordschleife has played an important role in Porsche history. The demanding 12.9-mile circuit is not only a place where Porsche has collected racing victories, but also one of the company's most important locations for testing and developing road cars. Buyers will be able to choose white or GT silver metallic paint. Green protective film appears on the front and rear sections, joined by green toe loops, historic Nürburgring logos, and motorsport-inspired graphics. California gold-forged wheels measure 20 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear, giving the car an unmistakable appearance. The Nürburgring theme continues inside with green accents, an illuminated track outline, special embroidery, and a green roll cage. Porsche will offer both a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and a 6-speed sport manual transmission. Manual cars receive an especially interesting detail: a walnut wood shift knob, similar to the one found in the 911 Carrera T. Performance remains at the heart of the car, and buyers can go even further with an optional color-matched man tie kit. The package brings suspension, braking, and aerodynamic upgrades, producing an impressive 1,190 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour. The special 911 GT3 will make its public debut at the Nürburgring in August 2026. Orders are scheduled to begin in September 2026, while deliveries will take place during the circuit's 100th anniversary year in 2027. Pricing has not yet been announced.